How to use coins on Temu. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can use coins on Temu, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, using coins on Temu is very simple. Let's say over the time you happen to earn some coins and some credit balance, and then you want to use that to maybe purchase something. So you can come to the home tab here. Now, by the way, if you have got some credit balance, you can just come to credit balance here, and if you have those credit balance, in my case I have $0.2 worth of credit balance, which I can use to buy anything online over here. Now I can actually go ahead and earn some credit balance and points by simply going to earn credits and free gifts. Then I can simply go ahead and then basically use any of these options if I want to. So this way I should be able to go ahead and then use coins on Temu. Now remember, you can't use coins to buy just any product over here. You just have to use coins to buy the product that Temu allows you to. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.